Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to log into Canva as a student. First, navigate to the Canva for Education page. You'll need your school-issued email address to begin the verification process. This ensures you gain access to all the premium features Canva offers to students, completely free of charge. Follow the on-screen prompts carefully to complete your registration and start designing right away. After entering your school email, Canva will guide you through the verification process. You might need to upload documents like a student ID, proof of enrollment, or a transcript. This step confirms your eligibility for the free education account. The review process usually takes a few business days, so be patient. Once approved, you'll receive an email notification confirming your student access. Once your student account is active, you unlock a world of creative possibilities. You'll have access to thousands of premium templates, fonts, and stock photos that are usually paid features. Explore advanced tools like the Brand Kit to maintain consistent branding or the Content Planner for scheduling posts. Canva for Education also makes collaboration simple, allowing you to work on projects with classmates seamlessly. To ensure uninterrupted access, always keep your school email active and updated. Canva frequently adds new features and resources, so regularly check their blog and tutorials for fresh design ideas and tips. Remember, your student account is a powerful tool for academic and personal projects. Also, for other great deals, and to check out those darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, make sure to look at the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.